Okay, there is one more application that can be used to adjust the system settings and configure your own computer and use it as a menu. So let's forget for a second about the Cairo dock, which looks very nice, but there is also one more application that is called Avant Windows Desktop. So I will right click on the Cairo dock and quit it. Sure, to quit Cairo dock, of course. And now I will use the normal Unity Toolbar and search for this Avant application. I've installed it in the same way that I installed Cairo dock by Ubuntu Software Center. You just need to write Avant in the search box and then install Avant and Avant Configuration. The icon for Avant window navigator looks like this. This is more simple version of Cairo dock. As you can see, it jumps to the right screen of my monitor, but I will change it to the bottom because it's visible better. I just clicked on the blue sign of Avant and then the settings window jumped in. So I've got the orientation right and I will change it now to bottom. As you can see, it jumped out to the bottom, and the window RWN settings gives us again a possibility to configure the dock, the toolbar, to our needs and how do we like to see them. First of all, the size of the icons. Let's change them from default 48 to 59. As you can see, they are bigger than a second ago. Orientation, which we saw a second ago. You can change it from left, right, and to bottom. And now the style. I have the flat style as it's most simple version of the dock, but you can change it also to 3D. It will be similar to the Cairo dock and as well to curved. Again, let's leave the curve. The behavior is the same thing as in Cairo dock. That means you can set to hide the toolbar or have its own space for the icons or be visible every time. As you will change the behavior, it will the dock will change dramatically. Window dodge, custom, always visible, but I prefer panel mode. Okay, now let's go to icon effects. So this is the same but more simple than in Cairo dock. By checking and changing the settings, you can see the graphical effects. For example, fade, and I'll go here. They are fading. Then we have the zoom. It's very simple. And the one that I like is spotlight. As you can see, there is like a green spotlight under each icon. Basically what we can do on this screen is to set up and configure your Avant toolbar. Have fun with this and check some other settings and graphical adjustments. I will just show one more, that is custom. You can here configure the behavior of the icons and check how they will work when clicking on them, squish, and so on. So let's close this window and then let's go to Task Manager. I'm not using this at all, so I won't be talking a lot about it. Going further is the Applets. Applets gives us a new programs and a new pre-configured applications for the Avant application. So what you can do, you can just add new programs and new apps to your toolbar, to your dock, and this is very simple, even more simple than in Cairo dock, because you just check all the categories. I'll just select the all categories, but you can search through some of the predefined categories, and then we just go down to see what are the applications possible. From the funny things that I would like to show you is the comics. You just drag and drop to the active applet. Then it will show up here. You can also move it to the places that you would like to have it. So I moved it to more frequently used toolbar. And then let's go further before checking all the applets. There are some CPU frequency monitor, there is a garbage, hardware sensors, so you can check the temperature of the computer and all the settings. We can use the lock screen. One of the good things is also at the bottom, that is volume control and web applet. Web applet gives us a possibility to configure, for example, access to the Facebook and Twitter. I will show you this in a second. Next window is the DEMs, so you can change the default DEM of the Avant window. For example, I'll just take the dust DEM and apply. So as you can see, it changed out. Now I'll go back to light DEM and advanced. In advanced window we can set up the monitor width, monitor height, and some other parameters for the whole screen, so that the Avant will work fluently and without any troubles for our computer. So let's close this one, or first of all let's minimize it, and then let's see. As you can see, I have got the Dilbert comics. How you can configure it is here. You just click on it, and then you can see the comics each that is set up and uploaded each day. By right clicking on the comics, you can switch up the comics from different days. I will close this one. It's pretty funny. I'll close this one, and then I will go to the web applet, which is configurable, and as you can see we can use Facebook, Twitter, Meebo, Pandora. I don't use them at all, but you can use, for example, Twitter, the same as Cairo Doc. The application changed to the T. Now you have to set up only the your account, or if you are already registered on Twitter, you just put the proper credentials, and then you will have all the new messages from your friends, and then you can also write new messages. I will just add one more applet, web applet, in the same window. So I will also want to configure the Facebook one. So it changed to the Facebook icon. I don't have a connection to the Facebook right now, so I can't configure it, but I know that it works. So this is all about managing the computer, your Linux. It's funny, and it has a very nice graphical view. So I would suggest you to try it, and then maybe switch from the Unity to this one. As you can see, I have also the main menu, which gives us the same overview of all applications as we had in Unity Toolbar. That's for now, folks, and yeah, bring me some comments, subscribe, and maybe tell me what you want to see more. Bye.